Hey guys, welcome back. We're coming to you live from Portugal.
Here we all are. Guys, say what up to the camera.
Some Portuguese beer called Super Bock.
You like it?
Yes, it's good.
Life is good.
What are you going to do in the bathroom right now?
What?
Mic testing,
Another?
1, 2, 3.
Why are you crying so much on this trip?
I'm so sad that I left Toronto.
Are you?
Guys, never believe Jiva. He is a nambikatrogi.
My most important question. Are you ready for a Madeira flight though?
And do you see how the plane has to go on like an angle? Like you see this, you see the runway from. Like look at this, bro. This is not a normal landing. Okay. Like I don't want to see this right before we get on this plane. Oh, like, why?
It's a huge ass doorknob.
Oh, we locked it? Big push.
How did that happen? So the parking here is really tight. So Jadu just did a 14-point turn. He finally made it into parking spot 6. We're driving to go to Pico, Areiro, and our car stopped because it's too steep. So now we're walking up the... I can't even talk. Alright, it's like 5 in the morning. The strugglest drive ever, but we're here for our Pico de Areiro hike. Jiva, are you ready?
No.
How was the drive, say?
It was yeah.
Thank you for driving. Yeah, that was scary. And it's cold. Guys, please wear sweats and wear hats when you come. Yes. But we're ready. Let's go. There's stairs. There are stairs here. Guys, if this view is not worth it, it better be worth it. So.
Guys, we just finished our hike. I'm gonna act like I'm still walking so it looks a little better in video. And Tibi's holding on to me over here because she's scared. But just wait until you see the view.
It won't do justice for what we're actually seeing in person.
Yeah, but we finished a 6-hour hike. Here we are, 8 kilometers later. We got Bai over here eating her protein shake. I'm sorry, protein bar. And peace out. Hold hand. Actually, we already did this. Go back to back, guys.
Back to back? Yeah. Cute.
Take 1 step forward.
Careful.
Back to back. Yo, Narojan, you look this way. Yeah. Just separate a bit. And Anoja, take 1 more step forward. Yeah. Look towards the mountain area.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, keep looking there. Keep looking there.
Hey, which way am I looking?
No, Narojan, you're looking.
Look for your side. My side? Yeah, there
Yeah.
you go. Yeah.
1 second. And.
Turn.
Turn. Look back at Narojan. Right there, that's where we saw the sunrise through. So the mountain is right behind it. That's where we were watching the sunrise through the arch, and the sun's behind us.
Right, we're done. Our legs are jelly from this hike. somebody is a fiance and
Nope.
yeah. So Jadu, our pilot, he did an amazing job landing it actually, because it could have landed in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, it could have went in the trees. We'll give him
No, I
that.
thought that red drone could run over it.
If it goes on the trees, it cuts the blade.
So it basically landed
the blades cut and the motor will
in
go.
Some roof.
the neighborhood right down there. And Ojin and Jiva ran down and they were looking. You know what I'm saying? Ojin and Jiva were all the way down there.
They went down.
Yeah.
They bolted. I don't even know how they did that. I would be like rolling down the hill.
Yeah.
After the walk.
Yeah, after the walk. But yeah, so anyways, they found the drone and now they're getting it all the way down over there.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It took us some time. We found coordinates. We
Yeah,
found
yeah.
the location.
Honestly,
Amazing.
kudos.
Amazing.
It was a group effort, but Jadu, that was great. Did the drone make it? Did the drone make it? Let's see. Where is it? You got it? Sick. Yay.
It's alive, right?
It's alive, it's fine, bless.
Sick.
Yeah, I wanted to take a video of this guy jumping off the roof, but
Wait, he got onto the roof?
Yeah, it was the roof, right? The black color is the roof.
Wait, I don't know which black color
Guys, come here. Guys, come here.
Okay, we're gonna see where the drone landed.
We're gonna zoom in, okay?
Yeah.
So, do you guys see the white car?
Yeah.
Okay, now see right on front. There's a black color roof, the flat surface.
Oh,
That's where it landed.
right here, guys.
It was in front of the white
right
car.
Here.
Just not on the ground.
Yeah, it's on the ground. You couldn't land on the front. I wanted to land in where the car is.
But if it landed where that was, that
Okay, pilot, tell us how you felt in this moment.
Yeah, bro, I was like beeping my heart too.
yeah, how did you land it?
He landed at the
Like,
Oh,
I know, it was like force land. It was just going down. I was like, I tried pushing it this time. And it's like, I saw that. Now.
Wait, the other question is, how did you run down the street that fast? How did you run down the street that fast?
on the bayou.
Over there? We're gonna go have some lunch by the sea at this place called El Basilica. I think I may have caught Enoja tripping. But we're gonna go have lunch and then we're gonna find some gelato.
Yes. And we are walking it because it was only 6 minutes away. So why not? Even
Beautiful
though our
weather.
legs are on fire.
Yeah.
To Narojan and Enoja being engaged.